Looking for quick, easy, and delicious plant-based meals? Whether you're a vegan, flexitarian, or just curious about eating more plant-based, today's video is for you. I'm sharing 5 easy recipes that prove you don't have to sacrifice flavor for convenience or blandness. Let's dive in. 1. Simple black bean burgers, 20 minutes. This dish is packed with protein, fiber, and flavor. Ingredients: 1 can of black beans, drained, half a cup quinoa, fresh herbs, cumin and garlic, half a cup breadcrumbs or oats, half a cup walnuts or any nuts of choice. Instructions: put all the ingredients into a food processor and pulse until slightly sticky. Press into a hamburger shape. Grill in the air fryer for 5 minutes on each side at 170 to 200 degrees centigrade. If using a pan, cook under medium-high heat until each side is dry and cooked through. Serve in lettuce wrap or a burger bun with your burger toppings and sides. 2. Creamy, open-faced avocado toast, 5 minutes. Next up, we have a creamy avocado toast with a twist. It's a perfect breakfast or light lunch option. Ingredients: 1 slice whole grain bread, ripe avocado, red pepper flakes, a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt and pepper. Instructions: toast the bread, mash avocado and spread it on the toast. Top with red pepper flakes, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. 3. Lentil soup, 40 minutes. Warm up with a hearty bowl of lentil soup. It's a comforting and nutritious meal that's perfect for chilly days. Ingredients: lentils, vegetable broth or plain water, carrots, celery, onion, garlic, bay leaf, fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary, pepper, sea salt to taste. Instructions: sauté vegetables in a pot along with the herbs. Add lentils, broth, and bay leaf. Bring to a boil, then simmer until lentils are tender. Remove bay leaf and season with salt and pepper. 4. Stir-fry tofu and veggies, 30 minutes. For a quick and flavorful dinner, try our stir-fry tofu and veggies. It's a great way to get your daily dose of protein and fiber. Ingredients: extra firm tofu, pressed and cubed. Mixed vegetables, e.g., broccoli, carrots, snap peas. Soy sauce, rice vinegar, potato starch or flax meal, olive oil. Instructions: marinate tofu in soy sauce, rice vinegar, and potato starch. Stir-fry vegetables until crisp tender. Add marinated tofu and cook until golden brown. Serve over brown rice, pasta, or noodles. 5. Yogurt parfait, 5 minutes. Our final recipe is a refreshing and nutritious yogurt parfait. You need a plant-based Greek-style yogurt for this. It's a perfect way to tease and treat your taste buds. Ingredients: plant-based yogurt, fresh or frozen berries, fresh banana, granola or nuts. Instructions: layer yogurt, fruits, and granola or nuts in a glass or bowl. Remember, plant-based meals doesn't have to be boring. By including these quick and easy recipes to your menu, you can enjoy delicious, low-calorie meals that nourish your body and satisfy your taste buds.